Howdy guys, I'm Lim. In the last devlog, we made some progress in regards of the enemy and player combat. The player could walk and attack the idle enemy, and the enemy would die once it got below a certain amount of health. This was a good step in the right direction towards having a polished mechanic, but we still weren't quite there. I then wanted to add enemy AI that makes it so the enemy would follow and attack the player. To make things a bit more simple for myself, I decided to rewrite the enemy's behavior. I deleted the script for the current behavior and made a new one. Unfortunately, I had to remove the part where the player could actually damage and kill the enemy, but this was fine to me as I could just re-add this feature again once I had finished the enemy AI. Giving the enemy some behavior before adding the actual player damage to the enemy will allow me to also implement the enemy's ability to damage the player at the same time. Sounds easy enough, right? It wasn't. At least not for me. I encountered so many problems adding this mechanic. Sometimes the enemy would continuously attack the player and not stop or flip to face the player. I attempted to fix this problem, then naturally something else went wrong. The enemy would randomly move and hide in another layer in the background. After doing what I thought would fix these problems, the enemy wouldn't even notice a player at all, and for some reason my camera broke, so things were going about how I would expect. It took hours, and I mean hours, of trial and error to get it working. A few late nights, reorganizing my code, and a quick cry later, we have this. The enemy works exactly how I want it, and man, does it feel good to see it all working properly. All that's left to do for this enemy is to add back the actual damage part, and he's done. Oh, and if you're wondering how I fixed the camera, this legend right here left a super helpful comment letting me know what was causing it and how to fix it. You, sir, are the real MVP here. I also put out a poll on my community tab asking what you guys wanted to see next, and the majority of you voted for a roll or dodge mechanic, so that's what will be coming to the game next. I have also put together a few concept sprites for some form of collectible treasure, coins, and loot. Along with these, some sprites of flowers, tall grass, and rocks. I intend to animate these to make the scene feel a lot more alive, but it's still early days, and I haven't decided which ones I am actually going to add. Let me know in the comments which of these you'd like and want to see added to the game. Thank you for watching this devlog. If you enjoyed the video, likes are appreciated. Anyway, that's all from me. See ya.